Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Venmo stuck on loading screen. First of all, switch networks. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues, and make sure you are also connected on a stable network. Then head over to your app store, search for Venmo app, and then make sure to update it to the latest version. Updating your app will fix all the bugs and the app will operate smoothly. Then restart your iPhone. After restarting your iPhone, turn off any VPN that you are using or proxy if you are using them. Long press on the home screen of the Venmo app and then click on remove app, and then make sure to delete the app. After deleting, if you want to reinstall, go to your app store, search for Venmo, and then reinstall the app. Safety tip: never log in on public Wi-Fi. Quick fix: log in through Safari. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.